Hey everybody, Aaron Dillon here from AG Dillon & Co. OpenSea got crushed this week. That's it. Let's get into it for the week ending 02 December 2022. All right, broader markets first. Pre-IPO stocks were down 3.18% for the week versus the S&P 500 up 1.14% and the S&P 500 growth of 1.75%. The quarter-to-date and year-to-date numbers are similar. You can see from the pre-IPO stocks ripped in the fourth quarter last year and early part of 2022, but they pulled back through the remainder of the first half of the year to be more in line with public stocks. And we're starting to see a slight downside separation in the recent weeks. Discord and Databricks both had nice weeks, but OpenSea just got crushed. Like I mentioned before, Airtable and Klarna had tough weeks too. OpenSea was down 51% just last week. That's nasty. OpenSea is an NFT exchange. NFTs are these cartoon profile pictures that you see floating around. Here's an example of one that my buddy owns. I love the heart-shaped glasses here and the toga attire. In 2020 and 2021, some NFTs were trading north of $1 million a pop. Of course, OpenSea is clipping transaction fees on every single one of those trades. So OpenSea is getting hit with the double whammy here. One, the trading volume's down, and two, the prices are depressed. So that's obviously going to hurt revenue. Hence, I think the 51% drop in price this past week. OpenSea was a major contributor to the broader index's run up in the late Q4 and early Q1, as you can see from its chart. But check out this cliff. It just fell off this past week. Ouch. And subsequently, nearly the full pullback in the index this week came from OpenSea, as you might expect. Here's the weekly attribution, and you're seeing the same in the year-to-date attribution too. OpenSea is contributing about 70% of the negative performance, but you can see it's pretty much blood red across the board, except for SpaceX, which is always up. It seems like no matter what's going on in the market. All right, so what does this all mean? My take: similar to public tech stocks, pre-IPO stocks are a coiled spring return, ready to return and pop when the market finally turns here. Several of my CIO buddies are waiting for the Fed to pause rate hikes, and then they believe that they're going to move risk on. I think that's a consistent feeling out there on most investors, and we're supposed to buy low and sell high, right? So now might be a good time to get into pre-IPO stocks. Certainly talk to your financial advisor about what's right for you specifically in your situation before making any moves. Right? Visit agdillon.com for more pre-IPO stock research. This week in pre-IPO stocks is a part of AG Dillon & Co., a venture capital asset manager. Give me a shout to learn how you can invest in pre-IPO stocks through our venture capital funds built specifically for individuals and financial advisors.